The following contest is a boiler room match. And this is for full control of HCW WDW. And the only way to win is to climb up those stairs right here. Introducing first. Introducing first, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, weighing in at 150 pounds, Shane Hayes. Introducing his opponent, accompanied by Psycho, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, weighing in at 140 pounds, David Hayes.
Are you still jealous?
Jealous of what?
Of me?
Of what? Being here?
Yeah.
I'm here. Are you still jealous?
Oh, wait.
This is what you're here for.
I'm here to win.
Okay. Sure.
I know why you're here. Because Mom liked me more.
Okay. Sure.
That's why you're doing this. You don't want to help people.
You're
You're trying to impress Mom and your boyfriend.
I'm actually his advocate.
Really? Is that why you're wrestling?
Yeah.
Taking his spotlight?
I don't know. I'm observing today.
Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Alright.
No. Okay. I got it.
Now, you just stand over there.
If it doesn't get your panties in a bunch, I'll just stand over here.
Oh my god, and match is underway! And Psycho did not take that quite easily in the slightest bit. Shane Hayes just flew his own brother right onto that ladder, and Psycho did not like it.
You're looking at the next owners of this company. And you be thrown right back there where you belong.
Oh! That kick to the head by David Hayes. These two are clearly in control right now. Oh! Oh, doing a little workout.
Okay. Yeah.
It's
Arm day.
Shane cannot get into control right now. Some mysterious stuff going on in the back. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, David. Oh my god, that could have went bad. Oh my god, right to his brother's face.
That is not my brother.
Oh.
Arm day.
Never hurts to get a little workout before in the middle of a match, bro.
You hit my toe.
What is the plan here? I have no idea. What? Oh my god!
You don't need these.
The point of the headphones? I have no idea.
Talking shit?
No, I'm not. I'm just wondering what the point of those headphones were.
Don't talk to me.
Oh, I'm gonna talk to you. Looked like he was getting ready
Yeah,
for
you
something
was
there. Looked like he was getting ready for a super kick. Oh. Shouldn't.
No.
David Hayes has him in the sharpshooter, but this isn't for submissions. Don't count in this match.
I don't see why not.
Unless there's a rule change in the. Unless.
Hey, you want to see something really funny?
Oh no! That looks interestingly painful right now. Like Psycho's just standing here enjoying all of it. Oh my god! Oh my god! There's just no remorse going on right here.
I am a very skilled technical wrestler.
Yeah.
We do everybody's favorite.
Oh. Oh, here he goes with the figure four. That is true. If he can wear out the legs, it'll be very difficult. It'll be very difficult for Shane to climb and walk up those stairs. Shane is interestingly in pain.
What's wrong, Shane?
I dropped my bat.
What's wrong?
Oh no.
What's wrong, buddy?
Oh. David's just toying with him now. This is so unnecessary. Just climb up those stairs and win. That's all you have to do.
It's believe. Up yours.
God damn.
What would Dad say, Shane?
You're Shane, buddy. Yeah, you try.
Oh, I need to put the sharpshooter back on. I mean, he's not tapping.
You know what I like?
What do you like?
The ring of the name Chairman Psycho.
Interesting.
I like that too. Yeah, I like that too. I really do like that.
like the name Custodian Psycho.
Oh.
Yeah. That one doesn't have that good of a ring.
That one doesn't really resonate. It sounds kind of stupid.
You ready to finish it?
Yeah.
You ready? Hold on, one for good measure.
Oh, giving him a wedgie? Oh my god, and he just falls right onto the ladder. Oh my god, I wish I got a better shot of that, but...
You want to get one more psycho driver to stand up on?
Oh man.
I'll be right here ready.
There it is. And then another knee to the back for good measures. Is he heading out? Shane's done. I don't know if he has anything left in the tank. He is moving a little.
That's neat. That's real neat.
Hey, Mom, can we fix that? Oh, what's that? No, he's blocked? No, you're right.
That is a resounding hell no. We can't fix that.
Oh,
Do what you gotta do.
are you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me right now. He had this match won. David Hayes had this match won. And what did he do? He goes right back on the attack for no reason whatsoever. Oh. Oh, God. That's gotta be it. It's gotta be.
Stick to your day job.
Dang. Oh. Psycho. Put the drill down.
Get out of his business.
Oh.
Jeez, he's not all up in your business.
You may wanna look away. Tell them some interesting nature.
Oh.
Alright. Well, did you know that when a bird and a bee, they, you know, there's little children that there's little that's not PG. There's little things called children that. All right, this story's
Oh.
all right. We're done here.
Oh.
See you all next week.
But 1, 2. Yep.
Thank you.
Well, here are your winners and the new owners of HCW, WDW, David Hayes and Psycho. Interesting.